But when we're working at the level of just item, then we know, we know it has use, we know it has display, we know the things that are available at the base class item are available to us. We can't assume that the item is a gun, a chair, a potion. That would be assuming. We would have to do some sort of special code to verify that it is indeed a gun if we think it might be a gun and we want to shoot it.
Yep. So if I go ahead and add a shoot method to gun and I try to do item.shoot,
Can't do it.
I'll get a nice little compiler error because the only thing the compiler is going to let me type in here is what's valid for the type of the variable. Remember, the type of the variable, not necessarily the type of the object. This is pretty much one of the biggest differences between a statically typed language and a dynamically typed language. So if you're coming from PHP or JavaScript, you might be used to doing stuff like this, but you can't in C#. C# is statically typed, meaning everything is verified by the compiler that there is a legal way for this code to come together before you can even run your program.